Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 6th, 2021. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle I will solve will be a Tectonic 4 stars, and this will be number 2, 4, 3, 1. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the the single box. I see here the single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Do we have dual boxes? No. Triple box. I see here triple box. The 1 is already filled in, so the 2 and the 3 are missing. I will mark those boxes. Alright. Quadra box. Do we have a quadra box? I see here a quadra box and in an L shape, and 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. That means that this box is always a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3 or a 4, because I need the 1, 2, 3 and a 4 in one of those 4 boxes. So this should be a 5. Alright. And the following strategy is to find several shapes. For example, the L shape upside down I have here. You can mirror it or rotate it 180 degrees. So this one. This box is the same as that box. So this box is the same as that box. Alright. Do we have more L shape? No. This kind of shape, yes. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. The same. And the following we have here. This kind of constriction, and this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. You can do this also for this upside down box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have the same constriction here? This kind of shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this should be a 1. Alright. Then this kind of shape. Yes, the last one. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. So this should be also a 5. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 2. Alright. 2 boxes left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be a 4. Alright. And this box is connected with that box. Has the same number, so this should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot. No. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. And this box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 5. In this area. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5. This box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. So it has the same number. So it's also a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this quadra box. The 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 1 and the 4. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes. 2 boxes left in this L construction for the number 4 and 5. Let me mark those. Alright, so we have a 1 and a 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 4. Alright, and this should be a 1. We have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 3, 3. 2. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those two boxes. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. So this box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. Alright. Here in this W shape, 2 numbers left, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, the 4 goes there. Alright. Then these two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, let me mark those, 1 and the 4. Okay, now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this should be a 4. Alright, now we have a 1 and a 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. So this is not the solution here. The 1 should be here. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this should be a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. And this box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2 or a 3 because I need a 2 and a 3 in one of those two boxes. And cannot be a 4, so this should be a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and this should be a 2. Alright. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. It's not a 4 stars Tectonic, I believe. Rather a 1 or 2 stars Tectonic. It's not so difficult. If you think logical, then this will be an easy Tectonic. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. I will continue with this puzzle page. So the other 4 puzzles I will solve. See you then. Bye bye for now.